Hello, my beautiful butterflies. I'm so happy that you're here. I've got this beautiful wreath that I got from Dollar Tree. I am winding a single strip of jute cord around every wire. I'm going to use these little lovebirds. Also, these little puff stickers. I'm hot gluing them just right at the top at each little point. And also at the bottom, I took another piece of little jute cord here, just right here and right here. So super easy to be able to gauge where I needed to place the hot glue. And this is my hanger. Oh my goodness, it's so cold.